I said, are you buying any of them?
I don't know. I mean, I looked.
You know how
I looked Joe's eyes. You know, because I thought if I could, you know, see his eyes, and he seemed sincere.
He seems sincere, but we don't know him that well. Hell, Larry seems sincere too. So I don't know, but you know how distrusting I am.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I go around the corner and check and see who's going to douche us with water, because I figured it was the biggest setup there is. Oh, let's come over, and then we get. Oh, now we got the white flag out there. They want the truce, but is it actually a truce, or is it just just another major setup? I don't know.
I guess all we can do is wait and see.
Right. Well, I hope they're sincere. I really do. And I was truthful. I said, because everything, when you're pranking somebody, it just keeps escalating until somebody actually gets hurt, and that's. Yeah. I don't want that, but I'm not backing down.
So you think that when they say that, you know, if Kevin or I really don't believe that Jackie would team up with Kevin or Weber. Jackie would team up with her siblings more than she would her.
But again,
she hardly even knows Kevin.
Stay local.
You know, I mean, she knows him, but I don't think she knows him.
But yeah, she plays both sides of the fence. I mean, she's standing. Well, she's teetering on either way.
She's always done that.
But I don't buy the Kevin and the Weber. I really don't. I don't buy that. They don't know us that well. You know. And just to access our house, even though Jackie may, you know, if she was involved, I just still think I still think Larry's got some involvement in this. I really do.
All right.
I want to believe, but I don't. You know, I just don't.
We're just gonna have to keep our eyes open.
Yeah. What's that fuzzy thing on top of that camera?
I guess that's for wind, and I know there's no wind out here today, but I just haven't taken it off.
It looks like a dead mouse.
Huh?
Looks like a dead mouse.
Well, it's supposed to stop the wind.
Oh.
You know, for the audio.
Oh, okay. But it still looks like a dead mouse.
Mm-hmm.
You've been working hard out here. I'll give you credit. Do you want to throw your gnome in here? Look.
No, I'm not done.
I know, but look what you've done out here. Huh? I think you got to show people.
I'll just give them a quick little glimpse of everything. But yeah, I'm not done. I want them to see the end result.
Right. Eventually, it's going to stretch the whole yard, though, isn't it?
No.
I
am putting some back there a little bit.
Right. Well, that's growing up out there since they took the trees down and things. So.
Yeah.
I think you ought to do a wading river too, all the way around the whole yard, and float your gnomes in inner tubes.
I was going to do that around some of the stumps. I was going to make a little, what do you call? I don't even know what are they called?
Like a moat?
No, they're called something. Lazy rivers.
Lazy river.
Lazy river.
Okay.
And I was going to do all that, but I thought the lake and the little pools are good enough.
Right.
Yeah.
For now,
well, when you retire, maybe you can get into gnomes.
No, I'm not getting into gnomes. I may get in
Mr.
back into golfing or, you know, over 65 or 60 softball league. Who knows? I may do anything.
Now, he is my favorite so far. He's fishing, and look at the gnome hat on the fish. He's fishing for a gnome fish, and he got one. Anyway, I just wanted to update you. And I gotta stop saying I have a lot of stuff still yet to do, but I have pretty much everything in my head that I want. And this was my biggest accomplishment, my little lake pond here with a whole bunch of rocks. And I'm pretty much done the fairies. Might add a little bit more. I have some things that I've done and glued, and I'll show you more as I get it done. I need more stones for here. And I have my campers. And I have, this side is mostly done, just needs a little bit more stone. And I know people think that maybe I'm a little crazy and obsessed, but I just love it. Now these are pools, and I need to work on them a little bit more because it needs a little more sand. I bought this sand that like it hardens. You just have to put a little bit of water on it and it hardens, which works out perfectly for around the pool area. So I have that, and I have some solar lights. This I just did. Look at that. How cool is that? It looks just like a mushroom. And I have all these things to set out. So it's a work in progress, but I will be done pretty soon. And I just want to get some more lights, I think. Okay? Hey, Jeff.
What?
Can you check my car out?
Why?
Because I think there might be a cat in the engine or something.
There's cats everywhere.
Well, I was finishing up over here on the gnomes and I heard a cat meow and it sounded like he was coming from over in this area. If not...
I can understand if it was winter time and the motor was warm, they sometimes go up there, but not this time of year.
Hon, just humor me. I thought I heard... Just look in the engine. I mean they couldn't get inside and there's nothing underneath, but I...
There's no cat here. The cats are over in the woods. You hear them over there crying and screaming.
I know, but it sounded like it came from over here. I know, like sometimes I see one at the front door.
Yeah.
And he lives under the porch, or he goes under the porch sometimes. I don't want a cat to go in there and have kittens or anything.
There's nothing in here.
All right.
All right?
Well, I just thought I heard something.
There's nothing here either.
Look, all my daylilies are starting to bloom. It's such a pretty yellow. I love this time of year. It's just so hot, though. All right, you want to go watch Peaky Blinders?
No, I got to get ice cream.
Oh. All right. Well, I'm going to go in the house. All right? Jeff?
What?
What are you doing?
Looking for shit. There's nothing under here.
Well, maybe it was under there and it just ran away.
Well, you would have seen it.
Huh?
You would have seen it.
No, I wouldn't have seen it. I was working on the gnomes. That's all right. I heard it. I just thought that maybe, you know, it sounded like it was a young cat. I just don't want kittens.
4 kittens that lived under the front porch. You'd hear them. I know that.
I know.
I'm just saying you're so crazy.
saying.
I'm just saying that we got cats everywhere.
Okay.
Right?
I just
All
didn't
I'm
know.
gonna get ice cream. All right.
All right.
Do you want anything?
Well, then you don't want me to start it until you get home.
No, just wait. I'll only be 5 minutes.
That was fast. Now I'm over here. See, I told you, it doesn't sound, I don't know, I think I'm losing my mind. I thought I heard a cat back in the woods. John and Luna were chasing him.
I just got Heritage Market. A lady gave me a little crap out there because she heard a cat too. And it came from the car. And I said, I don't have a cat in the car, because she says, that's inhumane. And I did my joke about good cats, dead cat. I should have said that. So she gave me a bunch of crap about that we had cats or kittens in the car. And I said, ma'am, I said, you can search. I opened the car hood, I opened the trunk, and no cat. Just because she was giving me shit. And I just figured, I didn't want her to think I'm inhumane, so I opened the thing up. So I don't know what it is.
Well, maybe, well,
There is no cat in there.
I don't know. I heard cats out in the woods.
Well, let me put my ice cream away, because I don't want my ice cream to melt. And then I'll go over the car again.
Well, I want to get...
She was an indignant, miserable Karen, is what she was.
I know, well, some people, I don't know why they think everybody else's business is their business.
Right, I don't understand it either, because why would she give me shit? I didn't do anything. All I did is she said she heard a cat while she was standing outside. I don't know,
All right.
Now I'm going out and look.
Well, I'm going to get a shower.
All right.
All right, I just went to get a shower. Either my mind's playing tricks on me, but now my smoke detector is going off. So, and I can't call it a smoke detector because it's an alarm and it's not happening. It just beeped. I don't know where it's coming from. Like there's one up there. I don't know if you could see it, but there's one on the ceiling that's hanging down and I hear a beep, but I don't know. Gosh, Dawn, I don't know where it's coming from. Like when you see a light or something, it's just a green light. I guess that means it's okay. I am friggin' hearing things. Is there a light on that one? Yeah, there's a green light on that one. All right, that's it. All right, Jeffrey.
What?
Now there's something in the house, like it sounds like it's a smoke detector, and it keeps beeping. I went to get my shower, and I heard a beep, and I can't tell if it's coming from.
Is it just a fire alarm?
It sounds exactly like the alarm, but they all have a green light on them.
Well, sometimes if you hear it in one area, it's the other one.
What is there a cat?
No, I heard it again. It's coming from back here and right at damn thing.
Well, did you open the hatch?
I didn't open the hatch. I already looked in there.
Well, I'm telling you, there's something going on. I don't know.
No. Well,
Like maybe. I don't know, but I mean that's could be an electrical thing in the house,
my thing
right?
is there's like guards underneath your car, and they're like pieces of plastic that run all along there, and they're open. So I was thinking, because I heard it, and I'm thinking maybe there was a cat in there.
All right, well, like
Now I feel all guilty and shit for like basically yelling at that lady that was being a total ass. Well, not yelling at her, but put her in her place. So
well, look,
they'll probably report me to somebody. but I
right
don't give
now
a shit.
it's not that important. I have to drive tomorrow, but well, no, hon,
What?
we have to get a good night's sleep. I need that beeping.
What?
I need you to look at the
Well,
beeping.
Here.
I don't have to drive the car.
All right. Well, if there is a freaking cat in there, it can get out. How about that? It got in.
Well, there's got to be some way to keep cats from going to your car because, I mean, that happens all the time.
Right. But it's only in the winter. Usually they want to get warm, so they go in there because your car's warm.
I just heard it meow.
I know. That's one of the same thing I see here.
Well, at least both of us hear it, because
Well,
if
yeah,
not, I would think I was going nuts.
Right. Well, I think that sometimes, but no, I hear it too. I said that one's green.
Unless, do you think maybe it's just the humidity?
That's a possibility. Sometimes they build spider, like little nests are built into that one. That one fell out when the roofers were here. That one's green.
I know, I already looked at them. They're all green. Oh, I didn't check the one in the basement.
Right.
Are they electrical?
That's green too. They're electric and battery.
So
Part of-
this
part of code.
so this could be a spirit thing.
Well, why would a spirit piss us off in the evening when we got to go to bed? That's wrong. If I was a spirit, I don't know if I'd piss somebody off when I'm going to go to bed.
What are you doing?
Unplugging it.
I heard you get the ladder.
Yeah. Because it went off while I was sitting there. But I've changed the batteries in every one of them. So it had to
So
come
you
from
had
here.
to disconnect it?
Yeah, I unplugged it. And then I
Okay.
want to pull the battery out of it, so then it can't beep. All right? Brand new door cells, and it's still beeping. So I've had enough. I've worked all day, been outside all day. I'm fed up. Just so turn it off, all right?